Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Abdurrahman Abbasi, your instructor of probability and statistics. So, today's discussion topic is probability. As we know that we are hearing, we are supposed to hear from the different people that there is a possibility of raining today. It means it's not raining now, right now. There is a possibility. It may be or may not be. Or we can say that the passing in examination is pretty small. The passing of his or her in examination is pretty small. It means he or she cannot be succeed or he or she can be failed. So it may be or may not be. So happening of anything whose result is uncertain, we called probability. The uncertainties arises in happening of any action is basically the probability or possibility of having something or not. So in today's discussion, we will try to cover up the topic what is probability. So now let us start the lecture. What is probability? What is probability? As we know that we call any happening whose result is uncertain, whose result is uncertain. So the probability is basically we call any happening whose result is uncertain. Means uncertainty arises in any kind of action or in any kind of happening. When, for example, we are tossing a coin or flipping a six-sided cubic dice. What is the probability when we are tossing a fair or unbiased coin? What is the probability that it will be the head or it will be the tail? So happening of anything is uncertain. Either it may be the head or it may be the tail. So we don't know about the happening of anything because there are two major outcomes or two major possible outcomes are here, head and tail. If we are tossing a unbiased or fair coin. So as we know that coin contains two sides. One is a head and other one is a tail. So if we are tossing a coin, what is the possibility that it will be the head or what is the possibility that it will be the tail? So we totally unaware regarding happening of any outcome. Why? Because a fair die coin contains two sides, head and tail. So the possible outcomes are two. So the happening of head or happening of tail is uncertain. We are not sure that it will be the head or it will be the tail. So it is called basically the probability, the happening of any action whose result is uncertain. Or we can say that we call any happening whose result is uncertain in experiment. So here we are supposed to call any kind of happening, any kind of occurrence whose result is totally uncertain in experiment. So we don't know about the result, or we are not sure of the result. For example, if we are tossing a six-sided cubic die, what is the probability that it will be the 6? So we are uncertain regarding the happening of 6 because the die contains other sides 1 to 6 numbers. So it may be the 1, it may be the 2, it may be the 3, it may be the 4, it may be the 5, and it may be the 6. So we call any happening whose result is uncertain. Means we are not sure that it will be the 6. We are uncertain regarding the happening of the 6. And another important definition is that the possibility of equally likely chances of occurrence. Okay, so probability is basically the possibility of equally likely chances of occurrence. It means when we are tossing a coin, when we are tossing a fair coin, what is the probability that it will be the head or it will be the tail? The possibility of equally likely chances of occurrence. Maybe it will be the head, maybe it will be the tail. So the possibility is equal. Possibility is equally likely chances of occurrence. Means head, maybe it will be the head, maybe it will be the tail. So it means 50% chance of having head and 50% chance of having tail. So it means we can say that the possibility is equally likely chances of occurrence. Head has 50% chances that it will be the head, and tail has 50% chances that it will be the tail. Why? Because a coin contains two possible outcomes. One is a head, another one is a tail. So when we are experimenting with the coin, when we are tossing the coin, that it will be the head or it will be the tail. So it depends upon the happening of the outcome. Either it will be the head or it will be the tail. So both have equally likely chances of occurrence. Okay. So what we learned about the probability, that probability we call any happening whose result is uncertain in an experiment. So the possibility of equally likely chances of occurrence. If we are tossing a coin, the possibility of having a head or having a tail is totally uncertain, because a coin contains two sides. One is a head and other one is a tail. So the two possible outcomes are here. So the probability of having a head or tail, probability of happening a head or tail is uncertain, because they contain both equally likely chances of occurrence. Maybe it will be the head, so the 1 divided by 2 chances of head. Maybe it will be the tail, so the 1 divided by 2 chance of the tail. So it means 0.5 has a head and 0.5 has the tail. So the 50% chance we are going to give to the head and 50% chance we are going to give the tail. So this is overall the concept of the probability. Now when we are tossing a coin or when we are flipping a six-sided cubic dice. It means when we are tossing a coin, it means we are trying to make experiment with the coin. Okay? Or when we are flipping a six-sided cubic die, it means we are experimenting with the six-sided cubic die. So what will be the possibility of the six? It will be the uncertain. So we can say that when we are taking an object, it means we are making an experiment. When we are taking an object for any action, it means we are making an experiment. If we are tossing a coin, it means we are experimenting with the coin. So let us discuss about the experiment for further clarification of the probability. So now